Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can check your Oculus email on phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel if you haven't done it so, and make sure to watch this video till the end. So yeah, we'll simply start now. For the matter, let's go ahead and open our Meta Quest app first of all. Once we're here in the app, in the explore option, the homepage gonna look like this, basically it. And then we would like to change our email. So for that matter, what we will do is we'll simply tap on this menu option, which will be given in 3 horizontal line, and we'll tap on the settings option among the icons above, which will give us an access to an option called account settings on top. If we tap on the account setting, this will simply open up a page in the web including all of our Meta account details with an edit options beside it. You can see we can edit our name, birthday, language, including our email on the first option. Tap on this edit option beside. Now we get this another form option, and which allows us to enter a new email that we would like to change it to or replace with, and a confirmation option as well. Enter the new email of your desired ones. Go ahead, tap on this confirm new email and enter the email once again. Tap on the save button given below. You're good to go. You will be able to change your, aka replace your email right there in your Oculus here in phone. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.